Hello guys and welcome to a Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl running on 16K resolution. Guys, this is going to be the first video of 16K resolution gameplay of Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl ever uploaded on YouTube. And today is December 25th, 2019. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas. If not, hopefully you're going to have a wonderful 2020 new year that is approaching. But this video was recorded, guys, in December 25th, 2019. Let's go ahead and get going, guys. As you can see, I loaded my desktop. Let me shut down real quick the overlay. I loaded my desktop at 4K resolution just in case. So you're going to see everything what is going on right now on the screen before we're going to switch to 16K resolution. And everything will be set at maximum possible visuals, as you can see, except the anti-aliasing will be off. Okay. Today I'm running two Titan RTX SLI through the NVlink that producing over 100 megabyte per second data transfer. That bridge 100 megabyte plus per second data transfer between those two video cards. So there is no lack of data transfer because our VRAM is only 24 gigabyte of VRAM per each video card. So the bridge is capable to transfer the data out of both of those video cards per second without any issue. Okay, so everything will be maxed out, guys, as you can see. Okay, what's going on here? I got a little of freeze. I don't understand, guys. In Crisis 3, in the Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, I have this type of freeze. I didn't experience this freeze in the Metro Exodus, though. Just want to let you know. Looks like everything is freezing right now. What's going on over here? Guys, let me real quick go ahead and show you something. Come on. I'm running, the desktop is running today at 16K resolution. For me to be able to run a Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, I need to switch my desktop to 16K resolution, 15,360 pixels by 8,640 pixels. So pretty much 133 megapixels rendered in real time, or 134 megapixels rendered in real time, whatever you want to call it. Because we're going to run this Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl in 16K resolution. However, it's going to be a windowed mode, but don't worry, windowed mode will utilize our SLI like a champ. Okay, let's go back to the game. I'm not sure what happened there. The Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl game was released back in 2007. This is the first game that powered by the X-ray engine developed by Ukrainians in Kiev. And I'm a fan of this engine and the whole game. And they released 3 games: Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, Stalker Clear Sky, which is amazing, Stalker Call of Pripyat, which is amazing. So pretty much every single game of Stalker series PC games are amazing, and I advise you to play it, guys. You're going to have a lot of fun. It's happening in the Chernobyl zone. Keep that in mind. Everything is set at the maximum possible visuals, but I'm not sure what's up with that freeze about. As again, Metro Exodus at 16K resolution doesn't freeze like that. Crisis 3 doesn't freeze like that, but it's crashing. I'm going to find out what's going on. But I was running Crisis 3 overclock on my video card. Right now, my video card, guys, as you can see, running completely stock. Okay, so the video card, every single Titan RTX today is running stock on the GPU and stock on the VRAM. Keep that in mind. And self-explanatory, guys, let me explain to you this overlay before we're going to go ahead and move forward. Go ahead and grab yourself a favorite drink, a favorite snack. It's going to be a great video. Hopefully the game is not going to crash, because this is going to be my second time. When I tried the first time when I was recording Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl yesterday on two Titan RTXs and SLI, first time ever. It was the first ever game that I loaded just to see. It crashed on me in the middle. So if it's going to crash, guys, it's going to crash, and I'm going to stop the recording. Okay. Hopefully it's not going to crash, but keep in mind this is going to be the first try of Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl on two Titan RTXs and Core i9 9900K 9th generation Intel CPU overclock at 5.3 gigahertz per core, guys. However, to achieve that stable and cool, I disabled 2 cores and I disabled the hyper threading technology. So I'm running today 6 cores only and 6 threads, and every single thread is set as 5.3 gigahertz whopping frequency, 24/7, you know, like 1000 milliseconds. Okay, let me explain to you my overlays. Self-explanatory, I call it iPlay 4K, aka iPlay 16K tougher system, which T stands for the temperature, U stands for the usage, F stands for the frequency, FR stands for the fan rotation. So pretty much the temperature, as you can see in Celsius, on the CPU, on the GPU available. Then I have the percentage rate, which is going to be our usage or utilization of our CPU in percentage. We want to keep it below 92%. When it's reaching above 92% on our CPU usage, 6 cores, it's a sign that you need to get the CPU at least with 2 cores. Okay. Then my GPU usage, GPU1 and GPU2 in percentage, we want to keep the GPU usage, guys, above 97% and above. I call it excellent GPU utilization, GPU usage. So pretty much we're going to utilize almost all CUDA cores that we're having today in this Titan X, in Titan RTX, sorry. But I have the videos on 4 Titan X, Maxwell GPU architecture, and 2 Titans XPs, guys, and SLI, Pascal GPU architecture over the iPlay4k.com or over the iPlay16k.com. So go ahead and check it out. So, what else? That's it in percentage. And then VRAM utilization right now is 4,627 megabytes. So it's not in the percentage, it's in megabytes. So pretty much 4.6 gigabytes. So what else? And the system RAM usage is also in megabytes, which is right now is 8,858 megabytes. So as you can see right there by the FPS, so you can see it by milliseconds. Okay, then I have the frequency for CPU, frequency for the GPU, frequency for the VRAM, and that's it. And system RAM frequency will be, guys, 2133 megahertz DDR4. Yes, it is that cheapest Corsair memory ever, but however it's set at CL13. Guys, I got myself Corsair 5000 megahertz DDR4, and I'm going to create a video when I'm going to go ahead and break all the move and all the ideas about DDR4 performance in gaming. So pretty much I will try to overclock the DDR4 to 5.3 gigahertz or 5300 megahertz from 5000 megahertz, probably CL19 or CL20, and I will synchronize it with my CPU clock, which is 5.3 gigahertz in 1:1 ratio, and then I'm going to use 2133 megahertz versus the 5300 megahertz, and we're going to find out how it does above 4K resolution and even 16K resolution. But I have a doubt, guys, that above 4K resolution is going to do us 3 FPS in difference. I think if we're going to play it, it's going to be 2 FPS at above 4K resolution, but we're going to find out, guys. But this was the move with DDR3, and I'm pretty sure with DDR4 there is no such a big differences. Okay, all right, so self-explanatory. FPS we want to keep, guys, as high as possible. Then I have the average FPS. I will try ignore it for now, ignore the average FPS, okay? And then I have the milliseconds delay will be the we want to keep the value as low as possible because it's a milliseconds delay, latency delay in each frame rendered, and it's caused by GPU delay, latency delay, VRAM latency delay, CPU frequency latency delay, and system RAM latency delay, as well as software such as the DirectX 9C API that we're going to use during this video, and the Windows 10 Pro. Okay, self-explanatory. Look at this, it's kind of frozen again. Oh my god, why it's freezing? This game is freezing, guys, by itself for a little bit, and I'm not sure why it's doing that. Let me quit to Windows again. I gotta quit to Windows in this particular game. The Crysis 3 is crashing. This one is freezing and it's crashed on me during like after 20 minutes. But Matrix Exodus is not crashing and it's not freezing. Okay, we crashed, guys. We crashed. Not sure why. As you can see, my Titan RTX is running at stock, fan rotation 100%. It's kind of noisy, guys. Two of them, dual fan, Titan RTXs, they're kind of noisy, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and reboot it. I'm pretty sure that Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl was using single core, but it doesn't show us that it is using single core. Maybe my CPU is unstable, but I clock up very high voltage on it. I don't see a reason. I clock up 1.41 volts. I'm pretty sure it's stable, guys. I'm using 53 multipliers. Let me real quick go ahead and show it to you as my external frequency and 50 multipliers for the AVX instructions. Let's go ahead and try it again. Let me go ahead and run the Stalker again. Let's go ahead and have a look. It's a Steam version. It's not freezing at any other resolution except 16K resolution. I ran this game in 10K resolution, guys, on a laptop Asus GL702VS that is equipped with the Core i7 7700 HQ 7 generation CPU and GTX 1070 Pascal GPU architecture video card, but full GTX 1070 Pascal GPU architecture video card with 8GB of VRAM. 10K resolution was no problem on a laptop. Of course, it was kind of low FPS and high latency. So the latency in milliseconds we want to keep as low as possible. So below 10 milliseconds latency delay, guys, the experience is excellent in terms of gameplay. Comfortable, very comfortable. Below 20 milliseconds it's still comfortable, and below 30 milliseconds it's playable, but it's not comfortable. Keep that in mind. And above 40 milliseconds latency delay, it's kind of going to stuttering, a little bit of lagging, a little bit sometimes, so it's not that even playable. Keep that in mind. So okay, let me go ahead and do the thing, guys. Keep in mind that I'm going to create individual videos when I'm going to show you 12K resolution, 10K resolution, 8K resolution, and 4K resolution on two Titan RTXs and SLI through the NVlink and this particular system. But right today we are talking 16K resolution. So I'm going to go ahead and put 15,360 pixels by 8,640 pixels. I'm going to disable full screen. I'm going to check the settings as again everything maxed out. And again, look at this. Again, and this happens, guys, at 4K resolution actually. Something is wrong over here. I'm serious. What's going on? Okay, now I have those. I'm not sure if you saw it during the recording. I had, because I'm recording today with the ShadowPlay, but I had the gray, light gray and dark gray lines like a zebra in the game, and I'm not sure why it is. It happens when I'm running 16K resolution at the full screen, but I didn't accept yet the screen resolution. Come on, what's going on? Yeah, something is going on. Let me shut down the game real quick. Let me put it down. Come on, come on. Okay. This is the thing. Where's the thing? Go. Come on, stop playing with me, man. Here we go. So this is the experience, guys. I'm showing you the experience today. Let me bring back the cores so you're going to see what's going on with our cores. This is actually the experience, guys. This is what's going on in terms of the experience. In this particular game, Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, it's freezing. And it's freezing even at 4K resolution with two Titan RTXs and SLI. It didn't do it to me. So it's not in 16K resolution. It didn't do it to me, guys, on the laptop. Something is going on over here. So what I'm gonna do, 16K resolution is again, and remove the full screen. We're gonna go ahead and get going like that. So I just shared with you how it feels. It wasn't just your time wasting, so you will understand. It could be I removed the full screen, so it's window mode, and the desktop is set 16K resolution. It could be, guys, something is going on with my Titans, and I just unboxed them yesterday. Everything is small now, as you can see. That's why I showed you guys at 4K resolution, so you're gonna see what's going on. 16K resolution, maxed out. This is, guys, what's going on. You don't want to be one of those developers. User interface should be dynamic, dynamically scaling, and it's not. Font as well. And if you're a game developer, do not ever develop menus like this. Be creative and innovative and think in advance. Keep in mind that I'm going to record my iOS game developing, guys, my own game, guys, journey, and share with you on YouTube, and I will try. Yeah, clearly something okay. Was somehow it was kind of went to the desktop for a second. I'm going to go ahead and load the game, and I will try, guys, to put my own games in the iOS App Store. You don't want to miss that. Look how small the saves look like. I just want to skip the Sidorovich, and okay, I'm loading this today from Crucial MX 500 2TB drive. Okay, 16K resolution. Oh, let me enable the, here we go, the overlay. Maybe just because the overlay and MSI Afterburner and Stalker maybe doesn't work correctly together. It could be a possibility, guys. Hopefully you're not going to hear those fans, but two of them, Titan RTX's dual fan design, they're kind of screaming, guys. In a small room, if you have a roommate, and if you're in college and writing some computer science job, you know, tests like I do, but I'm not in college and don't have the roommate, and I have a big house, but you're going to not enjoying that sound, okay, especially in terms of your roommate, and you will receive a complaint. Look at this. Look how everything is so sharp, everything is so detailed, like almost real life. And this is, guys, the Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, not modded. This is the vanilla version, guys. If the game going to crash, then it's going to be game over. And keep in mind, this is going to be the first video of the game, and I'm going to upload more videos in the future. It's running nice, guys. In the game right now, look, it's not freezing. It's running so beautiful. And by the way, this is the first 16K resolution, as again, Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl gameplay uploaded to the YouTube, guys. It's running nice. It's running beautiful. But the game itself, it's lagging a little bit, like every 30 seconds, because it's preloading some AI and preloading some data in the level. It has some radios, and then it's preloading. As you can see, those shadows, there is some ugly shadows right now. This is fixable through the X-ray console. You just gotta enable the sun position, reposition it, and the radius of the shadows caused by the sun, and it's fixable. But as again, I just want to show you the complete vanilla. Of course, we can put the cool modes. We're gonna stress more with the cool modes, but check it out. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Let me get the gun from a wolf. Let me get the mission, and we're gonna go, guys. As you can see right there on the hill, there is no grass, right? I'm going to create, guys, the grass patch, cinematic grass patch for Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl. They're going to bring the grass, not just the textures, but look, even the textures, they're not bluey, they rendered, and it's look like a grass. You're not gonna see that under the 4K resolution. Look at the distance. It's look like there is a grass there, but there is no grass. It's just a texture. But it should be a grass. It's gonna go, if you're gonna see, I'm approaching and the grass is appearing. But I'm going to create a mode, guys. I already did the mode over the x-raysdk.com website that I'm owning. I created the mode cinematic grass patch for Stalker Call of Pripyat that works with almost any modes. Go ahead and check it out. I have like 3 different presets: realistic, cinematic, and you're gonna love it. See, like there is no grass over there, but it looks like there is a grass almost, because you can see the details of the pixels of the textures. Okay, those pixels are not lost, because today I'm running 8K native screen and I'm DSRing to 16K resolution. So pretty much I'm forcing with the software to render at 16K resolution in real time, which is 133 megapixel or 134 megapixel, whatever you want to call it. Let me, I'm afraid to go to the menu, because in the menu it was kind of freezing. Remember, like it was freezing for a couple seconds in the menu, and I'm afraid to go there. Let me go ahead and pick up his goodies. He has nothing. Look at this beauty. And this is the vanilla. This game was released in 2007. Still looks beautiful in 2019, and still going to look beautiful in 2020. So I believe, guys, there is no innovations, and PC gaming will die in 2025. And exactly, guys, I know what to click because I played this game. I'm a veteran. So if you want to play this game above 4K resolution, you want to be a veteran. You want to know what to click, because the font, as you can see, and user interface is not automatic, is not scaled automatically, okay, to your screen resolution, which is upsetting. So if you're a game developer, the first thing when you're developing anything in the game, including the menu, you gotta think outside of the box. These developers thought outside of the box a lot, but they failed on the menu scaling, on the user interface. Look, I can see the asphalt right there by that thing. I can see the pixels on the asphalt, guys. I can see the scratches and stuff. You're gonna see this at 4K resolution. This is a little bit of lag, but it happens, guys, at any resolution on Stalker. As again, I'm running vanilla. It's fixable with the modes. Look at my system RAM usage, 8,645 megabytes, and my VRAM usage right now is 13,182 megabytes, which is almost 14,000 gigabytes. So Titan X Maxwell GPU architecture, Titan XPs, or GTX 1080 Ti, or RTX 2080 Ti is not capable to handle it, because it's going to overload the VRAM, and it's going to offloading the data into the system RAM, and it's going to create a very high latency delay in milliseconds. Right now it's below 40 milliseconds, so it's still playable, guys. It's playable. It's not so comfortable, but in particular game in Stalker, below 40 milliseconds, the game is very playable and almost comfortable. It's going to be very comfortable below 20 milliseconds in this particular game. It's going to be very comfortable below 20 milliseconds. I mean, not very comfortable, but comfortable. And it's going to be very comfortable below 10 milliseconds, but it's still playable and almost comfortable. Keep this in mind. So this is not the benchable status. It's a playable, almost comfortable status. Hopefully this makes sense. Guys, this is maxed out. And I'm going to show you in a second if the game is not going to crash everything in low. But look at my CPU utilization. The CPU utilization, guys, is what? 29%, 30% of 6-core 6 threads. This is the future, guys. You don't need multi-core CPUs like above 8 cores. You don't want to listen to Linus and this Nexus and all of this paid marketing guys. All what they do, they trying to tell you what you need to know, what they think that you need to know, and what they already zombified 99% of the YouTubers. And if you're going to say no, 99% of the YouTubers will tell you, are you crazy or something like that. Look at these textures on the wood. Let me show it to you. Look like real life. And this is not modded, guys. It's running comfortable. I can finish this game like this right now with this type of FPS. In Stalker is classic game from 2007 and was designed to be able to be comfortable at 30 FPS, not 60 FPS. Look at this. Look at the textures. 16K resolution, guys. And this again is going to bring some compression, but 16K resolution rendered in real time, downscaled to 8K resolution, still looks amazing. Amazing, guys. It's just, I can tell a difference running Stalker at 8K resolution and running Stalker at 16K downscale. I can tell a difference. Fortunately, it's going to be so realistic gameplay because I don't know how much ammo I got, because I don't see it. Even on a huge gigantic screen, guys, I don't see it. Look at this. Beautiful. This game was evolution of the PC gaming, guys. by the Ukrainian developers. As again, shadows is fixable, so don't worry about the shadows. Come on, take it all. The resolution is so big, so you gotta increase the mouse sensitivity, and I forgot about it. 13,000 megabytes, which is 13 gigabytes. So pretty much to run this comfortably, you need to have 14,000 gigabytes. Guys, if NVIDIA will release RTX 2080 Ti support, RTX 2080 Ti Super video card with 16 gigabyte of VRAM, it's all what you need for 8K resolution. But if you're going to watch over the iPlay16k.com or over the iPlay4k.com YouTube channel, if you're going to watch my video 16K resolution in the games, you're going to realize that games that was released after 2014 requires above 20 gigabyte of VRAM. 20 gigabyte of VRAM, which is 20,000 megabytes. Beautiful. The textures, everything is beautiful, guys. Hopefully you're watching this video at least on 4K resolution screen. The voice over the YouTube going to bring some compression a little bit, but it's still going to look nice. I really like the YouTube compression and everything. They treated me so well. I love them. Look, the AI doesn't know where I am. It's unbelievable. Come on, dude. We want you to go down, buddy. We want you to go down, buddy. The pistol, of course, this is the Makarov. The USSR police, when it was USSR and Ukraine was under the CCCP, was using this pistol. It's not deadly as TT pistol. TT was the Russian deadly pistol, but it's still incredible. Let me use the med kit real quick. Guys, hopefully it's not going to crash. Look at these shadows. Hopefully it's not going to crash, and hopefully I'm going to show you. As again, you can put the modes and make this game on another realistic, photorealistic level. But it's already for 2007. It's so photorealistic. Guys, go ahead and pick them up on Steam. You can pick all the games for about 15 bucks on GOG or on Steam, and you're going to enjoy. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to real quick use the food to heal myself. Vodka is against the radiation. This game is amazing. It's like criminals, bandits on the Chernobyl zone. As again, guys, as you can see, a little bit of lag. Then this is within the game. This is how within this game, the lag is produced within the game. Wow, I never saw there is a dead body here. I finished the game but never knew there is a dead body here. And this is like a bandit camp. So pretty much Chernobyl is occupied by the bandits who's kind of searching some goodies, and so pretty much like it was in real life in Ukraine. Those people were searching the radioactive car parts, and they were selling them, and a lot of people died because of this in Kiev and stuff like that. I'm hoping it's still recording the video. Bomb! This is shotgun, buddy. Jesus. I said this is a shotgun, man. I just need to get used to it. I didn't play it for... The last time I played, guys, on a laptop, 5 days ago, on the Asus GL702VS, when I showed you the Stalker Call of Pripyat was runnable at 10K resolution. And was testable, but at 8K resolution, it was comfortable. On a laptop with the GTX 1070, guys. You don't want to miss that. So pretty much I'm going to help. This is the first mission. I'm going to help our good dudes to terminate the bandits. Guys, maybe I'm going to release my cinematic mode for Stalker Call of Pripyat. I'm working on it right now. We'll see. But I'm going to do a little patches, guys, for Shadow of Chernobyl over X-Ray SDK. You don't want to miss it out. If you like this game, it's going to be amazing. Ah, this is a shotgun, buddy. This is a shotgun. Look at those bandits. No. Let me get down a little bit, man. Hold on. I know this is... Oh my god, somebody's shooting. Ah, okay. It's fine, guys. It's not about the gameplay. I didn't play this game for a long time. We died. Okay? and it's like set to normal. So this game is nice, and it's not easy. It's a lot of quests, a lot of secret stashes. You're going to enjoy this game, guys, a lot. So I'm going to go to option now. The game didn't crash. Hopefully it's still recording. I'm going to go in the options, and I'm going to say, you know what? Let's go ahead and make everything at low, just in case. How the game will look at low. Everything at low, completely at low. Let's go ahead and have a look in terms of FPS and the VRAM. Guys, you want to keep your eye right here on the VRAM usage. This is the VRAM usage. This is the system RAM usage. When system RAM usage is going to go above 10,000 megabytes, pretty sure we're overloading our system RAM. That means that we're overloading our VRAM. But usually when VRAM is overloaded, we probably need to use about 22, 23 gigabytes before the driver will decide, okay, it's not enough VRAM. Because the total VRAM capacity is 24,000 megabytes, keep that in mind. But before, below 20,000 megabytes, I'm pretty sure that we're not overloading our system RAM. So this is how much the Stalker at 16K resolution required as a system RAM. Total system RAM is 32,000 megabytes, which is the cheapest DDR4s again. Look at this, processor running 5.3 gigahertz or 5300 megahertz. Okay, everything is chicky-picky over here, guys. Okay, so everything at low. Let's go ahead and have a look. Guys, I will try to keep this video unedited. Okay. Kind of brought us from the game. But keep in mind that this at 16K resolution, this kind of resolution changes can actually overload our VRAM even 24 gigabytes. It can or it cannot. We're going to find out because this is going to be my second day with Titan RTXs, but I tested a lot of games at 16K resolution, 10K resolution, 12K resolution, 8K resolution with the previous hardwares. And I'm kind of experienced. Okay. It's normal, right? Oh my god, look at this. It's frozen again. Something it does it in the menu, and I'm not sure why, because on the laptop it didn't do that. Hope my Titans are not damaged. But Titans didn't have any problems with the Metro Exodus. Keep that in mind. If they would be damaged, they would have a problem, but they don't. Okay, let me get back to the game. Menus kind of have the low FPS and low scalability, 50 and 50. Let me get back to the game. I'm going to go ahead and load again from the beginning so you can compare, and I will try to follow my steps. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look, guys. As again, I'm playing without the headphones, guys, and just because I died, it doesn't mean that I'm a bad player or something like that. It means, look, it's loaded immediately. Wow, at 16K, everything maxed out was kind of loading time. Because it's, you know, putting the textures correctly on the 3D meshes, 3D models, and 3D geometry and stuff like that. But at the low, it loaded immediately. And it still looks like it's at high, guys, at low. So this is the difference, guys. When you're looking at 16K resolution, the pixel density is beautiful, amazing. And even at the low settings, the old school games, they're looking like at everything maxed out. But everything is not maxed out. So don't get confused. Everything is not maxed out. Let me real quick go ahead and show you the option. Nope. Right now we're running low. But it looks like the textures and everything, it looks like maxed out because that pixel's still renderable. When you're playing 1080p or even 4K resolution, 1080p for sure, you're losing a lot of data, a lot of pixels, because those textures like 512 by 512 pixels, 1024 by 1024, I believe in Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl as the maximum, and you're losing at 1080p because that object is so small, and you're rendering about like like this little box right now. If you're going to play it like this on 1080p, that little thing right there, it's probably going to show you like 128 right now, showing 128 if it's going to be 1080p, 128 pixels by 128 pixels. Means the other pixels, the details will be lost. But at 16K resolution, everything is rendered. Because this object right here, probably at least 2000 pixels by whatever. At least. and it's rendering all the pixels from the texture completely. Look at this, low, FPS increased, latency delay decreased, almost 20 milliseconds average. Wow. The VRAM usage is 13,119 megabytes, guys, and the system RAM usage is 9,291. Look at the asphalt. Even at low, it's looking like a 4K maxed out. Wow. That's wow. But as you can see, the pre-render radius is not here at low. So pretty much it's radius, and the grass, we're losing the grass. We can see the grass only right here, and then we're losing the grass, everything. But it's look like a grass. It's look like it is a grass, but it's high quality textures. No matter when you're looking, the quality of the textures is amazing. Let me real quick go ahead and pick it up the mat kit. So we're gonna use this mat kit, and you know, it's just a game, so I'm just going to eliminate this guy, and I'm going to search him and get the ammo from him and another mat kit. So you can play this game the way you want it, guys. This is the best RPG games ever. You need to play it. They just didn't invest any money in marketing. They sold over 2 million copies in the United States, and I purchased one from Walmart on the day of release. It was amazing during that time. Imagine something like this after Half-Life 2 or Doom, with this type of visuals and with this type of gameplay and stuff. You're going to enjoy this game, guys. It has a lot of quests. It's just unbelievable. Okay, just because I killed that guy, we don't want to do that. Now everything is hostile. The regular people is hostile to me as well, as you can see. So it's okay. The point of this video is not the gameplay anyways. Let me try to use some mat kit. I have two, but it doesn't tell me that I have two. Okay, so we got the mat kit. Look at these details, guys. Look at the textures details. Look at this. Let me show you the tree. Even at low, guys, and you can improve the textures on another level with the modes, but even at low, check it out. Look like a real tree. Alright, guys, that's it. I guess that's it. I'm going to show you guys the 12K resolution, 10K resolution, 8K resolution, even 4K resolution on two Titan RTXs and SLI, but 4K probably is going to waste our second video card, and it's going to split probably the load 50 and 50. But as you can see, under the 16K resolution, it's also not excellent. It's 83% on the GPU 1 and 99% on GPU 2. So GPU 2 is fully utilized, and GPU 1 is giving us some issues, and the frequency is also not synchronized. I'm not sure why GPU 2 doesn't have a synchronized frequency. Something is going on here, because it should be synchronized. I believe I set in the Windows under the MSI Afterburner, synchronize the frequency on the GPUs and on the VRAM. Okay, so it's beautiful, guys. It's like a post-Soviet game designed, developed by post-Soviet developers, beautiful mathematicians. I really like the programmer, the main programmer, Dmitry, I forgot his last name. Guys, because I'm going to release X-Ray SDK tutorials, maybe I'm trying to sell them like a masterclass or something, and in real time people will ask me. So the tutorials will be like, you will ask me in real time what to do, why are we doing this, and stuff and stuff and stuff, and I will explain. And tickets will be, though, expensive, $1,000, guys, but it's going to be about 10 classes. Each class will be about 2 hours, 3 hours. And in the end of my tutorial sessions, guys, the whole class, you will learn how to build your own game based on the X-Ray game engine that powering Stalker series games. So let me know if you're interested, but you gotta pay. But I'm going to waste my time for it, but I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to make sure that you're capable to develop any type of modes and even your own game. Look at this texture details. Look at this texture details on low 4K resolution. So unbelievable. Alright, guys, so as again, and plus I'm going to part 2 of this video will be with the higher 5000 megahertz DDR4. Right now I'm running 2133 megahertz DDR4, 5000 megahertz DDR4 memory, guys. guys, right now it's comfortable gameplay, and it's not crashing actually when the video card's not overclocked. Maybe that first time I overclocked my GPU by 100 megahertz, and I just find out 100 megahertz it's unstable for Titan RTX. Can you believe it? But memory, you can overclock up to 2200 stable. Okay, I gotta predict it. So he's walking, I gotta predict the bullet time, because the physics in this game look like in real life. So I got that dude, guys. So you gotta get it going, guys. You gotta get it going. Let me search that body. And yeah, guys, this is unbelievable. So more videos are coming. You don't want to miss them. In all kind of different scenarios. I'm not sure what's going on with my GPU. Not synchronized frequencies. Maybe something is going on. Maybe I need to reboot my computer, but we're going to find out in the second video, guys. Okay, I'm going to investigate this part as well. So let me real quick go ahead and search them. Oh my god, gun with a silencer. This is what we want to do. It has some attachments, guys. It has all kind of guns, all kind of weapons in this game, Soviets and not Soviets and Western. Let me real quick go ahead and show it to you before I'm going to wrap it up, because this video is going to be so long, and you just let me eliminate the bandits, I guess. But I'm playing without the headphones, keep that in mind. It's a little bit unfair for me because I'm sitting by the mic, and I don't want the mic get the phone, headphones, or any speaker sounds. So we're gonna go hardcore. I'm going to go with the shotgun, with the first and easy shotgun. Let me reload the pistol just in case. Oh my god, look at this. With the silencer, so this game is, you can play like a quiet ninja in this game as well. Guys, this game is running amazingly well. I could even play it everything maxed out. I could even play it everything maxed out without any issues. With the modes, guys, you can bring this game to another level with the higher resolution textures, with the higher resolution 3D meshes, higher polygon topologies and stuff like that, and it's going to be unbelievable nice. As you can see, AI is not that stupid in the game. The main programmer of this X-Ray game engine, Dmitry, I forgot his last name, he's kind of bald guy. He's unbelievable, guys. Such a beautiful mathematician. Alright. You gotta be easy. Take it easy here. Okay, dude, we gotta use the medkit. Oh my god. Let me use the medkit real quick. In the Stalker Call of Pripyat, you can put the medkit and you can use the short keys. But in Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, by default, by vanilla, by the original game, as you can see, there is nothing. As again, this is the original game. But with the modes, you can also enable that with the modes. It has beautiful modes. Look at this. It has the Kiev license plate. I remember that. And I remember this type of cars. I was in a kindergarten or like a middle school during that time. Let me use again. The vehicles are radioactive, so there is a lot of radiation, and you're going to use the special tool to. And there is some artifacts like aliens from the radiation, and it's amazing. It heals people. It does a lot of great things. And you can resell them. In the game you can resell guns, ammos, everything. It's just so you can play as a business guy as well in this game and enjoy it, guys. Okay, behind me. Houston, we got him. Bam! Oh my god. And the guns, they pretty much they can get broken and stuff, and you gotta repair the guns. It's just you can break the guns, and you gotta repair the broken guns, otherwise they're gonna jam or not going to shoot. So there is a lot of photorealism, like in Far Cry 2. This game was released in the time of Far Cry 2, guys. So I think we eliminate everyone. The jackets, the armor. This was one of those first games that introduced us to like all this type of upgrades. The game in 2007 didn't even have any ideas like this in kind of first-person RPGs. This was one of the first game during that time, guys. I know there is a guy right here. Oh, he's hiding. He's with a shotgun too. Look at this sneaky bastard. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. And yeah, let me real quick show you as well, to show you this system specs real quick. And I'm going to let it go. I'm going to try to upload this video at 8K resolution. I forgot, I gotta stop recording because I don't want to be so long, because I want to keep that at that 8K resolution so you can see the details. Pretty much, guys, as you can see, i9 9900K 9th generation, overclock, 53 multiplier external frequency and 50 multiplier as AVX frequency. So external frequency 5300 megahertz, and for the AVX instructions such as video encoding is 5000 megahertz or 5 gigahertz. 5.3 gigahertz external frequency for everything, or for the newer kind of things, 5000 or 5 gigahertz. Okay, the Asus Maximus 11 Hero motherboard Wi-Fi. Not advising you to have this motherboard. Get something else, guys. This motherboard has a lot of issues, and I'm going to discover them with you over my videos. Cheapest possible, 2133 megahertz DDR4, which is 1067 times 2 CL13. Okay, Titan RTX is beautiful with the Samsung GDDR6, 24 gigabytes. This is how it bench, guys. 633 points, single thread performance. Can you believe this? My laptop Core i7 7th generation 7700 HQ CPU bench here 360 as the best ever. 2 times single threaded performance over 7th generation 7700 HQ. And this is the multi-threaded performance, which I disabled 2 cores and hyper-threading technology. So original the i9 9900K will be faster at multi-threaded performance, but it's going to be by what? By 53 points lower for the single-threaded performance. And we need that single-threaded performance, especially in this game. We want to make sure, look at this, how the utilization was at 16K resolution, by the way. Look at this graph. This is the CPU information utilization updated in real time, but you saw it during the game. This is the Windows verification. And we want, guys, have every single thread, and we want to shut down those logical cores. We want to have the physical cores as minimum our latency delay, and 5.3 gigahertz as fast as possible. So, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Everything is rock and roll. And by the way, this Titan, let me real quick go ahead and show it to you, has 6 megabytes of level second cache. 6 megabytes. The GTX 1070 or any Pascal GPU architecture has 2 megabytes level second cache. This one has 3 times more level second cache on the GPU, and I believe it helps us during the, let me open the IDA. It helps us, guys. Let me show you the, it's going to be under the GPU. It helps us, guys, with the 16K resolution rendering a lot. Look at this. It says 4608 CUDA cores, 576 Neuron cores, which is the Tensor cores by NVIDIA, but it's still Neuron cores for the AI, and AI can be used, guys, for the graphics as well. And 24 gigabyte DDR4, and the level right here, 6 megabytes level 2 cache on the CPU. Okay, guys, 72 streaming multiprocessors and 96 kilobyte data shared, local data shared. That's amazing, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching. Right now I'm putting some great videos for you to check out. If you don't see it, go ahead and check out the video description. Don't forget, positive comments, guys. The comments that bring values to society, to me, to you. And yeah, subscribe, smash that like button, smash that bell, share it with the friends, guys. As again, first video, Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl ever, was recorded on December 25th 2019, and on the 2 Titan RTXs in SLI of the NVlink and i9 9900K overclocked 5.3 gigahertz, because nothing can touch this in 2018. There is no other video cards can render this, okay? And my i9 9900K at 5.3 gigahertz is faster than 10,900 K or 10,980 XC processors running at stock. Keep that in mind in terms of the gaming performance. Okay. All right, guys. Have a great Christmas. Have a great 2020 New Year. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, support, and I will see you guys in the next videos. Till the next time. iPlay4k.com. iPlay16k.com. Till the next time, guys.